There were beautiful crows this morning. Sorting differences, and I'm gonna write for them on paper. Oops, I had to fix that. What I meant to write. You're still going off in the back there, sorting differences. That's one. It's water day. Water is month. Excuse my accuracy, but it's kind of like magic. There's a lot of racism around here. I'm trying to resolve, and some guy is responsible for magic against me. That's 2. Try to do 6 and see what happens. Still going off back there. They're responding to the writing. I think I wrote 3 so far. One, two, three. Some dude is pressing buttons on me magically, and I have to reverse that shit. His name is Gene, some guy named Gene, like Billy Jean. standing up writing, so that's them sorting difference out. They usually go on by the 6th line. Let me do one more line. Here I'm going off in the back here. They flew off while I'm finished off the line. Fits. Okay, they flew away by the 7th line. Usually they do it by the 6th line. I have to write, excuse my accuracy, it's magical. I'm reversing the buttons of somebody named Gene D or Billy D. And by the 7th line, the crows are telling me something is happening. They fly away from resolving their differences here, beating up Akimo as a crow. And beautiful crows, they're my crows, resolved to LA's benefit. That's it. They flew away after the 7th line that I wrote. You see that? That's it. That's beautiful. They do it for me. And they're beating up possessed crows. Akimo possessed crows, Akimo Gene possessed crows to my benefits. Thank you. See that? And you see the line. Bye-bye, beautiful crows. Love y'all too. And America is racist against me. That's what the crows are telling me. The America is racist against me. The bank is racist against me. A 99-cent store. Females are racist against me. That's what the crows are telling me. Females are racist. Cops are the most racist. That's what crows see on their names like cops, because cops are the most racist people who kill animals and treat people like animals too. I'll leave it right there. Reverse Gene button till laza benefits forever.